The government could bring some more clarity for the manufacturing industry, especially in the telecom department, as a meeting was held earlier this week in which those from the telecom industry, be it manufacturers or designers or those involved in the R&D side of the things, went up to the telecom minister to discuss how they want more clarity on what is defined as being made in India. So what is their concern is the fact that a lot of players in the industry, especially the smaller ones, are bringing out components from other countries, for example China, in terms of their cases or any other component of the mobile phone, and then white label it as made in India. Currently, as per the norms, a considerable amount of value that is added to a particular product to be called made in India should be present. However, what these manufacturers, as per the stakeholders who were in the meeting, are doing is that they are just white labeling the entire product as made in India. However, the major components inside it are being imported. What they are also saying is that some suggestions can be floated. For example, the operating level or the number of staffing can be seen in the research and development and the designing wings of these small companies that are saying that their products are made in India, and then it can be checked whether they are doing justice to what they are claiming and what benefits they are claiming under the government's manufacturing policies. They are also saying the other things that could be done is benefiting those players who are doing their designing and research and development in India, rather than benefiting those who are importing most of the components from outside. So it remains to be seen what is to be done. However, a meeting was conducted earlier this week, and there could be more developments coming in, especially with the budget right around the corner. However, more measures and more details have also been sought from these manufacturers and designers and others in the industry. So let's see how it rolls out.